Why pay $150 when you can do it on your own for just $10? Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you all can tell, I am super excited today because I'm going to show you how I take my waist length hair and turn it into some short box braids. Now I know y'all probably wondering like how she gonna do that. Well, it is not my method, but I seen it done where a girl pretty much just twist up her hair and she fold her hair in half, and that's how she pretty much complete the box braid. And I'm going to do that method as well. However, I have yet to see this method done on extremely long hair, so I'm going to show y'all how I make it happen. Let's get to it. The hair that I will be using is this cute 6-pack. My beauty supply have 6 packs for $10. I've already put my hair in twist. My mom and my aunt helped me. It was a struggle. My mama have not done my hair since I was a little girl. So, it's already in all these twists. I'm gonna take this, twist my hair in half, and I will show you all once I get up front so that I can show you a bit more clearly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the weave in half. I will only need half of this. I'll stretch the hair out. But I will be adding rubber bands to the end of the hair, so I'm not 100% sure if this is even necessary. So the braids that I made are like small. I try to get as small as possible because once I fold my hair in half, like it's pretty much gonna like double the width of my hair, of the size of the braid, and I don't want the braids to be too chunky. So I tried to keep it a decent length. So I'm gonna take maybe like my thumb size amount of hair, and I'm gonna give it a go with this amount of hair right here first. Wish me luck. Okay, so now that my hair is twisted, I'm gonna go ahead and add the hair. Start by looping, putting it on. I just move the hair to the side. Then I braid down. Now this is the twist. I'm gonna fold it. Keep this separate. This is one, and this is the hair. This is the hair that's still a part of the tail for this one. It doesn't matter if you add it to this strand or this strand, but for some reason I've been adding it to this strand, so I'm just gonna continue with it. So now that your hair is on, you just continue braiding. This strand is coming to an end, so I'm going to add some of the hair. This is where I've been having trouble trying to conceal my loop, but I just kind of pull as tight as I can with the weave, and it it covers it up a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it turned out good, and sometimes I had my loops poking out. But this one was pretty good. Just braid it down pretty much till you can't go anymore. Now I'm going to add the ribbons at the end. And that's it. That is how I hid my hair. Again, take the hair, wrap it around your hair so that this is on this side and these two on this side, and you just begin to braid. You begin to braid as normal. Since my hair is longer, I don't wait until the middle of my braid to loop it. I loop my braid in the beginning. So here's the hair. Here's my loop. I'm gonna add it to this section. And that's it, 3 strands right here with the loop, with that tail being right here, this loop being 1 strand, and this middle strand. Just gonna braid as normal. Since I'm running out of hair, I will add some from the middle strand. And at this point, just braid as tight as possible so that you can kind of try and hide the loop. This one's kind of poking out, so I'm gonna have to put a little accessory on that one. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, but I'm almost done. One more time. Grab your twist, wrap it around, twist on one side, 2 strands on the other side, begin to braid. I braid my hair just a little bit down, and for some reason it's easier for me to loop the twist when my braid is on the right side. So I wait for my braid to get on the right side, then I fold my hair in half. This is 1 strand now. I let go of this middle piece, let that be its own strand, and I add the end to this strand. I have 3 separate strands, this side, middle, and this side. You can see my tail right there. And you just begin to continue braiding where you left off. It should blend well. Yep, it blended. And you just braid on down. Once this hair starts to run out, you add some of the middle hair. This twist is pretty big, so I'm probably gonna have to add a gem because I doubt that I'm gonna be able to conceal this one. My hair is starting to run out, so I'm just gonna add some. I'm just gonna braid all the way down to the end. Squeeze them tightly so I can try and hide that. Nope. It's really good if you can make your part small and have your twist to be small, because when you fold it, it won't be that much, but it's kind of hard to make mine small. But like I said, I'll just put a little piece there and you won't even tell it's there. I'm now going to touch my ends up and pretty much cut any little hair beyond rubber band because I know it's not my hair. I really can't believe it's not my hair. Like, y'all just don't understand. I tell my husband almost every day that I'm gonna cut my hair. I even tell my mama, they be like, no you're not, no you're not. But look, I got some short hair and my real hair is up under it, and it actually don't look bad. I know once I put it in hot water, it's gonna look neater, but just cutting all the ends. I dipped all of my hair. Now I'm going to apply some mousse. Now I'm gonna fix up my edges. I be trying, I don't really have a lot of edges. Like, even my baby hair is just long. I'm putting EBIN 24-hour edge tamer on my hair. Do y'all think I should do gel instead of edge control on my edges? Which one works better? Let me know in the comment section. I'm trying, y'all. I like my hair though. I cannot believe it's short. I love it. This style was actually pretty easy to do as well. It didn't take as long as my my regular twist or braid outs take, because normally I'm braiding all the way down to my waist, but this time I was able to just stop right at my shoulders. So I'm actually loving this look right now. And now I'm going to put some little gold pieces wherever it's sticking out, but actually after I dipped it in the water, the parts are not sticking out too bad. Like, I see it a little bit at the end right here. It's actually not bad at all. I'm excited. Put me some hoop earrings on and some a cute lipstick. And I get my nails done tomorrow. Yeah, I'm about to act up. This piece is kind of big right here. Perfect. You don't even know. You can't even tell that that's my hair up under there. I bought the string too, but I don't know how to put it on. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, but I'm excited. I'm placing them where my hair is showing a little bit. Like I said, some hair is blended perfectly, and then I had some that stuck out a little bit. But overall, this style was a success. I like it, and I will be doing it again. I feel like it took more time prepping my hair, meaning putting my hair in a twist, than it took to actually put the weave in my hair. And that is it for today's video. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot believe that my hair is actually up under here and it's concealed well. I'm so excited. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, any suggestions for me, leave it all in the comment section. And thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.